Hey, have you tried MyLeadGenSecret and find yourself getting little to no results online using this traffic source? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gionta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And the truth about MyLeadGenSecret is you're going to get very low quality traffic. So if you've been using this traffic source for a while and you've been paying your $30 a month, everything like that, the traffic source is going to be very, very low quality. So it only works with things that are around, $20 or very low commissions. And a lot of times it doesn't work. So you end up paying this $30 a month for this system, and they're not technically your leads until they go to your um, email service provider, right? They have to be inside your email service provider so that way you could do email marketing to them. If they're inside the system, they're not technically your lead, they're the system's lead. So you want to actually get those people onto your email list if you're using the system. But I would not use this traffic source because you're going to get shit results, and it is very crappy as far as traffic goes. So if you want to learn how to actually, brand yourself and get high quality traffic, go over to profitbuilderstraffic.com and you could place an order for paid traffic with me. Being that it's Christmas time, I have a deal going on right now. So you get high quality traffic at a fraction of the cost that it normally is, and it's going to run till the end of the month. So if you enter and you actually go to that site and you order a traffic package, you get a chance to win 100 free clicks of traffic. So go over there and order a traffic package with me today. And I'm going to show you what you need to be doing. So, basically when you're in any kind of opportunity, you need to learn how to generate your own leads, generate high quality leads with high quality pages and things that are branded to you. So if you're not branding yourself with any kind of opportunity, including MyLeadGenSecret, then you're missing out because you need to be branding yourself. You need to have a system that's branded to you that nobody else in the opportunity has, and you need to stick out from everybody else that has the same kind of stuff. Now, what's going to make you a top marketer is having your own stuff and understand how to connect with people, right? If you don't understand how to connect with people and you're not creating content and you're not doing that, and you think that just sending emails to a list that they build for you is going to get you results, you're going to find out that that traffic source, and by just doing that alone, that's not going to get you the results that you want. And if you're sick of failing online and sick of trying that and it just not working and people just not being responsive on that list, then you need to build out your own stuff and you need to learn how to generate your own traffic. And if you click the link below this video, you're going to come to this page and learn how I went from zero to making my first 100K online. And if you want to get high quality traffic, you could also get to my traffic store from the link below. If you want to get into my free Facebook group, there's going to be a link in the description for that below as well. My Facebook group is where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this so you don't miss any time that I upload a video. So the main thing that you're going to have to do is learn how to brand yourself. And if you don't know how to do that, then make sure you, click on the link below this video and get onto this page, put your name, email, and phone number in, and I'll show you exactly how I did it and exactly how I continue to get results online without needing a system like this to be able to get leads for me, right? So you need to learn that stuff. You need to be independent as a marketer, and you need to realize that you need to take control of your marketing. You can't depend on a platform like this in order to get results. So make sure you do that, And thank you for watching, and bye for now.